Hello, I am with BSc degree. I guided students in understanding scientific concepts and using them creatively for social impact. Thank you.
Hi, I am BTech in Computer Science and MBA. I support our students with coding, AI and digital product development.
I am Luigi Borkapoti with an MBA in entrepreneurship. I help students turn their ideas into sustainable business models and pitch them effectively.
Namaskar. Welcome to Shri Bokial High School. Proudly hosting our Atal Tinkering Laboratory, a hub of creativity, innovation and future-ready learning. Our Atal Tinkering Laboratory is designed to nurture curiosity, ignite innovation and empower your minds. Equipped with state-of-the-art tools and technologies, ATL provides hands-on experience in robotics and automation, 3D printing and prototyping, electronics and IoT, artificial intelligence and coding, design thinking and creativity. We teach our students 3D printing, CAD design, coding in Arduino and ESP32, IoT application and AI tools, and conducted design thinking sessions, production innovation workshop and pitch presentation. Our school startup Hukiya has successfully expanded its business from Shri Bokial High School to the district level with a government approval to market and sell this product. Our ATL has already achieved remarkable milestones from creating Arduino and IoT-based smart solution to participating in national innovation challenges. Our students are proving that innovation has no boundaries.